Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to shine wooden furniture easily. This will be a full tutorial and I'll be showing you the best method, or something that I consider to be the best method for shining and polishing wooden furniture. Now this will work with pretty much any piece of wooden furniture for the most part, okay? But you have to remember, it will make the wooden furniture a little bit slippery for a decent amount of time, so you want to make sure that you're able to leave the wooden furniture long enough to dry before you use it, because you don't want to get this shiny stuff on your clothes, and you don't want to like touch it because it gets a little bit slippery. So make sure you're doing this to something that you can leave it alone until it is completely dry and ready to use. So this is what I consider to be the best method. I use this on my wooden furniture from time to time. I don't shine my furniture often, but I do use this method whenever I shine it. My grandmother showed me this method, and then my mom also uses it, and then I use it. So you know what, it's absolutely fantastic. All that you need is some lemon oil. Okay, so this is Old English lemon oil. I'm not sure if there are other brands that make it. This is the only brand that I use, basically because it's the only brand that I've seen, but I'm sure there are other brands that make something similar to this. You need a rag that you are willing to wash after, and sort of like, I always use the same rag whenever I do this, so that I know this is sort of like my wooden furniture polishing rag. And then you need a piece of wooden furniture. This is just a table leg from one of my kids' like play tables. They have like a, like a little play table, and this is one of the legs. I just wanted to use it for a demonstration. So what I'm gonna do, I've removed it from the table, obviously, but you can do this to the furniture when it's in place. You don't have to take the furniture apart. This is just so easy to remove. I just had to unscrew it like that. So what you want to do is get your lemon oil, okay? And you want to open it up. You want to place it. You don't need a lot. You just want to put some on your cloth. You can see this one has like a spout that just lets a couple drops go out at once. So you can see right there, that's probably plenty, but I'll put a little bit more on the side. That is probably plenty. You would be amazed at how far this goes in terms of just two little drops. When you rub it on furniture, it'll last a long time. Okay, so basically I'm going to take this lemon oil on this rag, and I'm just going to rub it on the piece of wooden furniture. Okay, so you just rub it on the piece of wooden furniture like this, and it definitely shows more when you have furniture that has been stained a somewhat darker color. This is like basically a plain natural wooden color, okay? And it still does show. I'll show you in the light in a moment. You'll see in a moment. But when you have furniture that is stained, especially dark, if you have a dark stain on your furniture, like a dark wood stain on your furniture, it is going to look incredible. It shows so much more because it reflects the light. So as you can see, there's still quite a bit on here. I can feel the lemon oil on here. I was going to call it olive oil, like extra virgin olive oil, because I just made my breakfast and I made eggs and I used some olive oil. Anyways, so this is lemon oil, not olive oil, just to be clear. It's, as you can see, you see the shine in the light, and then watch when we get to the part that I didn't touch, the shine is gone. There's the shine, you can see on the light reflecting, and gone. There's the shine, and gone. And when it dries, it will still have a nice glimmer to it. It won't be as shiny. Right now it's really shiny because it's still wet, but it won't be as shiny, but it will still be fairly shiny, but it will be dry, so you can touch it and it won't rub off on your hands, but you do have to allow it to dry. So you can see right there, the shine, and then the shine is gone. There's the shine, that's where I did up until, and gone. And that's basically it. It just really allows it to look absolutely awesome. It shines the furniture, it polishes the furniture. And like I said, I don't do it often. I don't want you to think that I do this like on a regular basis. It's probably maybe once a year I do this to all the wooden furniture. Basically that's it. Whenever I sort of get a chance to, and I want to make everything look really a lot nicer again. That's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.